Welcome guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be showing you how I prep my hair when I'm going to get my hair done. So I have a hair appointment tomorrow morning. It is nighttime. I could only have time to wash my hair around this time when Francis gets back from work. So I have tonight to wash my hair and get my hair ready for tomorrow morning. Now I have been able to stream down my routine to make it quicker and less stressful. I just go straight to the point, straight to what works. I detangle my hair with water. I used to detangle my hair before I go in the shower, but I've just found that it's just easier and quicker to just get in there. First of all, the water is also acting as a detangler, as a moisturizing agent. So it kind of helps my detangle process to be quicker. So I'll go into the shower and run water on my hair, detangle my hair whilst I'm in there. And whilst I'm in there, whilst the hair follicles are open and things like that, I also have a detangling brush, but I do not know what. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So that's a detangling brush. So I will be using this as well. Shampoo from Miel. I do have the conditioner as well, so I'm thinking, I think I'll do this. I was initially going to go in with my handy dandy honey miracle mask. I absolutely love this stuff, but I'll go in with this, and I might just do both just in case this is not giving me enough. This I know will give me. And whenever I do like deep conditioner, I love to go in with an oil. So I'm going to be using this one from Melanin Hair Care. This is the baobab and argan oil. Argan oil, not argan. This one here. So cute. So this is the Melanin Hair Care oil. And yeah, I'm just going to use that on my hair, and then I'll let that sit for about 30 minutes, 1 hour. If I'm in a rush, 30 minutes. If it's not that much of a rush, 1 hour. Normally I leave it for almost the whole day. I might leave it overnight. Actually, should I leave it overnight and then wash my hair in the morning? It would just be a quick rinse. I think we should do that because that's what I normally do anyway. Now that she's moved the time to 2 tomorrow, I can leave the hair overnight, let it have all that moisture, and then tomorrow I'll just rinse and then dry the hair. I do have a hair dryer, which I'll show you tomorrow. I think that's what we're going to do. This is why I brought my water bottle in here, because every time I wash my hair, I come out feeling dehydrated. really thirsty. Okay, so washed my hair, and I told you guys my steps. First of all, detangle my hair with the Jackie knot on my watch, and then I co-washed my hair with that Jackie Kids, which was amazing actually. And then I went in with the Miel conditioner. So I just wanted to show you guys, I told you I was going to go to bed with my hair, with the conditioner on my hair, and I want to show you guys how I go to bed when I'm going to bed with product. So the first thing I do is I have this plastic shower caps. There's like a ton of them. So I got like a big pack like this from Amazon. They came in 100 pieces, and for a reasonable price. I don't even think it was up to £10. I don't think so. I'll insert the link in the description box. So yeah, I just have one like that I'm going to use in my hair. Okay, and then 2 things. I sometimes go in with a shower cap as well for extra heat, or I'll just go in with my normal hairnet for tonight, because sometimes the product can seep through, so I'm going with another layer of a shower cap. It looks so weird right now. But yeah, so do that. Like so. Yeah. And I'll then go in with the silk scamp, which is this one that I have. See you guys in the morning when I'm ready to take this down and rinse it off and things like that. So see you in the morning. Morning guys, I just woke up. Well, I woke up early, but I literally just got off the bed. So it's time to rinse off this, but my scarf or everything literally stayed put. Obviously this one came out, and then last night I think the shower cap was too tight, so I had to loosen it a little, but it stayed fine. No stains on the bed, nothing. So let's take this out. Okay, this is what the hair is looking like. I'll turn around so you can see. So this is what the hair looks like. This is what I'll look like when I have grey hair. Kind of looks like I have grey hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like. I'll go in there now and rinse it all out, and yeah, we'll start the prepping process for today. We've still got a couple of hours before my appointment, so let's see. I'll talk to you guys shortly. If you think this is disgusting, just skip, because I'm about to show you a bunch of hair that I lost from my wash. So if you don't want that, just skip. But this is how much I lost from my wash. And I kind of think this is a lot of hair. Granted, it's hair of a month. A month plus. Okay, so I did it on the 21st of September. It's not even up to a month. What's today? It's not even up to a month, guys. So this is a lot of hair. This is a lot of hair. And I don't know. I don't know why my hair is like falling off like that. But yeah, anyway, so I'm going to take this down now. The battery's about to die, so I'm gonna need to change it at some point. If the battery dies, I'll just go ahead and do what I'm doing, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do, and I'll come back and show you later. So I don't have anything on my hair just now, so I'm gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner, and it's this one from Cold Days that I use. Once I'm done with the leave-in conditioner, I think that's all I'm going to do today, so that my hair is not too slippery when she's doing it. I might actually go in with an oil, which will either be this oil from Natural Crown Hair or the one I used earlier, which is from Melanin. Yeah, I'll show you guys how I'll like thinking, but if the battery dies, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's start. So it's all patted properly to the back. Okay, so I will pat it probably into 3. Like that. Start there. Okay, so now that I've put all the hair into little twist, I'll now go in with decoders, open all of them one by one, take a little bit of that and just run it through the hair. So you can see how my hand is literally running through the hair really easy, or easier than, that's because I was able to like detangle properly in the shower. Then back into twist. So because I still have some time before my appointment, I will kind of leave the hair to try to air dry. If I was going like almost immediately, I would take like my hair diffuser and try to dry my hair now. But because I still have some time, I'll just do this and let the hair air dry a little. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of weeks since the last time you saw me. Yeah, it's been a couple of weeks. Done my hair. My hair is nearly about 2-3 weeks old, but I thought that would be nice for me to come here and show you guys how I prep my hair whenever I have braids on, like how I care for it. So I've got these 3 products here that I use, and I think this is from Cantu. I went searching for something to use to freshen my hair, and I saw this one. I think this was made particularly to freshen braids, wigs, and anything. So you can use this on your braids, you can use this on wigs, weaves, locks. So if you're someone who's looking for something to freshen your hair, you should check this out. So how do I use them? I've got the Set and Refresh foam here, so this is more like a mousse, and I've got the conditioning detangler, and here I have the hair freshener. So this just helps to deodorize. So if you're someone who, whenever you have braids, you know, our hair tends to like have some kind of odor and smell sometimes, so this will help with that. And honestly, since I started using them, I only recently got them, which is why you can see like it doesn't even look like I've used it, but I have actually honestly seen a difference, which is why I thought I should add this to this video so that you guys can see what I do and how I freshen my hair. So like I said, the hair is currently about 2-3 weeks old now. So the first thing I like to do is I like to go on my scalp, and I'm going to be taking the conditioning detangler. And what I do is 2 things. I either go on there and spray, but I kind of prefer to put it on my hands because it doesn't come out like a spray, it comes out like a cream. Yeah, so it comes out like a cream like this. So I prefer, oops, to take some, rub them on my hands like so, and massage my scalp what I will then go in with is the set and refresh foam. Yeah, so then going with the set and refresh foam, and what I'm going to do is take some, can you see, it comes out like a foam, which is why I said it's more or less like a mousse. I've got some on the side of my face. Final thing, well, not the final. I will go in with the hair freshener, and I'm just gonna freshen the hair. Okay, so I don't usually do like baby hairs and things because it's not my vibe. I'm not crazy about them, to be honest, but I do like to ensure that my edges are clean and things. So I'm just gonna bring this other mirror here so I can see what I'm doing. We're just going to tidy up the edges. You guys can see that they're a little bit like, yeah. So we'll just tidy those up, and I'm taking my pattern brush, yeah, and take a little bit of the Got To Be edge styling gel. I have found that this is the only thing that keeps my edges in check. Like, you want your edges to stay for a very, very long time. Get that one. Any other one that says it's an edge control thingy, they're lying. Well, they're not lying. They think they have edge control. This is the real edge control. Okay, so first of all, I like to do is just brush them all up. Okay, now that it seems to be in place, take another bit, and then I'll start to attempt to define. Doesn't look like I've done anything, but I'll just bring that down and then back up like so. Maybe I'm doing too much, but you can also always just use a scarf so that it stays in well. This one, sometimes I'll just leave it to like coil. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you've been able to learn and pick one or two things, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye guys.